Are you tired of bouncing between Asana and HubSpot to keep your projects and deals aligned? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate Asana with HubSpot using the official app. By the end of this video, you'll be able to seamlessly view crucial HubSpot deal and campaign data right inside your Asana tasks. No more endless tab switching or lost context. Let's jump right in and get your workflow running smoother than ever. The first thing you'll need is access to the official Asana plus HubSpot app. This integration is designed specifically to let you pull information from your HubSpot deals or marketing campaigns directly into an Asana task. Think of it like putting your marketing and sales cards right onto your project board, all in one place, so you always have what you need at your fingertips. Start by logging into your Asana account. Once you're in, head over to the project where you want this integration to live. If you work on multiple projects, make sure you're in the correct one. The integration will be set up project by project, keeping things nicely compartmentalized for your team. For instance, if you manage client projects and lead tracking separately, you can choose which ones get this supercharged HubSpot connection. Now, let's access the project's customization options. Up in the top right corner, you'll spot the Customize button. Click on that. Don't worry if it takes a second to load. Asana is just pulling up all your project settings and available options. This is where you can tweak your workspace to really suit your needs. Within the Customize menu, scroll down until you see the Apps section. Depending on how many options you have, this might be midway or further down. You're looking for the little plus sign, the one that says plus add app. Click right there. This will pull up a catalog of apps ready to integrate. It's almost like choosing a new tool for your toolbox. In the apps list, find HubSpot and select it. If there are a lot of options, you might want to use the search bar for a quicker find. Go ahead and click on HubSpot, and you'll be prompted to sign into your HubSpot account. This step is important. Asana needs your permission to access deal and campaign data from HubSpot, so follow the instructions on screen carefully. You might need to authenticate via your email or grant specific permissions. This ensures security and keeps your integrations safe. If you're new to integrations, don't worry. These steps are pretty standard and usually just take a moment or two. Once your accounts are connected, the integration is active. Now, open up any task in your chosen Asana project, just like you normally would. Look in the Task Details pane. You'll see a new HubSpot field has appeared. This is where the magic happens. Copy the URL of a HubSpot deal or marketing campaign you want to link, and paste it right into this field. Instantly, the details from HubSpot are attached to your Asana task. It's almost like pinning a business card or campaign flyer onto a bulletin board, so everyone on your team has access to that critical info and context. No extra clicks, no searching across platforms. And that's all it takes to boost your team's productivity and keep everything connected between Asana and HubSpot. If any steps take a moment or two to process, just be patient. Integrations can need a little time, but once set up, it's a huge time saver day to day. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to give the video a like. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or run into any snags. I'm always happy to help troubleshoot. And make sure you subscribe for more practical tutorials that help you get the best out of your favorite business tools. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.